Namaste. I will now show you how to download a recording that was created by you during your class. So let's log into Zoom on the browser zoom dot either US or .com, both are same. Sign in. sevak4@gmail.com. Next, enter the password. Sign in. As you have seen previously, it shows the list of all classes you have conducted. Let us now go to recordings and transcripts. This will show the list of recordings that have been created. These are all the demo recordings that was done for the creation of this video. Let us go to a live recording. As you can see here, on this page, the recordings will be available for 10 days, after which they will be deleted automatically. Don't have to get worried that after 10 days this recording will not be available. What basically happens is the cloud recording will be moved from this tab. It goes into trash. Trash is currently empty here. You may find your recordings here where it is stored for a period of 30 days. So 30 plus 10, 40 days. If you are not able to download, the recordings will be automatically erased. So let's go and identify which was our recording. So whatever class you conducted with the date and timestamp, you should be able to identify. Go click on it and say download. Currently we are downloading, the recording creates only one file. I download the file. Download happens. Once the downloading happens, it is stored in your downloads, Windows downloads folder as an MP4 file. I hope this short video shows you how to download a recorded session from Zoom. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.